guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a load of things from Dollskill. So I got quite a variety of items and some of them I'm so excited for. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. I will link them all down below along with my social media if you'd like to check anything out. But yeah, let's get to it. So I thought I would just grab the first thing on the pile because everything's very different from one another. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful butterfly corset. Now, I just fell in love with the colours on this, and I love anything insect related as well as anything dinosaur or fossil related, so nothing new there, but this is just so gorgeous. And it's by a brand called Carmen that's sold through Dollskill, and they do it in this colour but also in another colour, which I'm very tempted to get because this one's just beautiful. So we'll see how it fits, but I can kind of imagine it sitting like with nice blue jeans really beautifully, and I just love the imagery on it. It's gorgeous. So this one is $35 I believe, and it feels so lovely. So let's throw it on and see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and I literally think this was moulded for me. Like, it's a perfect fit. I love the length of it, the boning's all in the right place, and it's even kind of got a low back, which I think is just super cute. Like, I just love this one, and it kind of sits high up on me, which I actually really like. Like, I would wear it with these jeans as an outfit. Like, I think that just works. It's just something really unusual about it. So I really love this one. Let me know what you think, but it's just something really unusual about it, and I don't actually have many corsets, and I wouldn't actually say this is a proper corset, it's just called one, because it's not like a lace-up or anything, but it's that sort of style, and I gotta say I really like it. Like, I'm really digging it. So the next piece I got, I am obsessed with. Yep, it's a leather skirt, but it's got flames on it. So yeah, I love leather, I love fire, and I actually have leather fire boots. So if you guys have watched my previous videos, you might have seen I got flame boots. I actually have two pairs, but one has orange and red on it, and I can just imagine this outfit looking bomb with like my fire boots and my fire leather miniskirt. Like, I'm obsessed with this. So this is $48 from Horoscope, so I just love it. And I actually was expecting this to be a lot shorter than it is, because I've had a few miniskirts from Dollskill in the past and they can barely cover my bum cheeks, but this one looks promising. Like, look at that, it's not actually too tight anywhere. It looks like it kind of flares out a little bit, so it's hopeful. I'm hopeful. The waist looks a little bit on the big side, but because I have wider hips, I might be able to just sit it on that and it's not going to fall down. That's not a problem I have. So it's not going to be tight to my waist, but I think it'll still be really cute. The only thing I would say I wish was different is I wish the zip was black, but to be honest, it's kind of funky having it in silver as well. It's kind of like rocker chic in a way, but they haven't lined it. So in the heat or in the winter, that's going to be so cold on your bare skin, but it's just crazy cool, isn't it? I fell in love with it. You can understand why. So when I try this on, I'll whip out my fire boots and we'll do a whole look. It's going to be great. So let's put it on. This is how it fits, and it's actually a perfect fit. I wasn't sure how the waist was going to be, but I mean, it's not a tight fitting waist, but it doesn't look baggy, if that makes sense. Like, it's not going to fall past my hips, so we can definitely work this one. But look at the flames all over it. Like, it's such a good length as well. Like, I can actually rock this with, you know, tights and a black turtleneck kind of thing, and, you know, wear it day to day, not just when I'm probably clubbing. I would wear a leather skirt like this, but just look at my shoes. So I kind of need now a yellow top to finish this look. Like, they've got the red, orange and black just like the skirt, but then it's also got this yellow flame, and I feel like a yellow top, these boots and this skirt, and whew, that would be one heck of a look. But I love this skirt. It just fits me brilliantly. So no, I'm so excited to wear this one. The next piece I got is from Current Mood Clothing. Now, I've been looking at this for a while, and it's a little bit crazy, but I think I can style it differently to how their models were styling it. So their models were wearing like tops under it, but I think I would wear it just as a dress, and it's covered in crazy rainbow mushrooms. Now, probably none of you know actually that I am an avid mushroom hunter, so when it's the right season, you know, I go out picking mushrooms and it's amazing. I love mushrooms. So I thought it's only fitting that I have a mushroom dress. So that's how that came about. And I've got to say, this is so soft. Like, it's super stretchy and it feels amazing. Like, it's going to be so lovely to wear this. And it's got a nice like kind of mesh exterior, and then it's a nice lining underneath. So I really like this one. It looks like a nice length, adjustable straps, not too tight anywhere. It's just really cute, and it has butterflies on it as well, so it's just perfect, just perfect. But this is $35, so we'll see how it fits. It'll either click on or I'll just look at myself and think, you're a crazy person, Emma. But I think it's going to be really cute, so let's put it on. But this is how it fits, and it's super cute. It's a lovely length on me. It's not too tight anywhere. It's kind of got a lower back that I didn't realise, and I really like it. It's just really cute, I think. It's a little bit crazy. Like, the fabric is very wacky, but I'm feeling it. I really like this one. Let me know what you think, but I think it's really cute. So the next piece I'm going to show you guys is actually a two-piece, so you buy the bits separately. So it's a floral skirt and top set from Current Mood, and it just looks like this. So it's kind of like a chiffon material, and it has this little extra skirt at the base. I just thought that's really cute for summer. And then the top is just a perfect style top for me. It's this gorgeous kind of like wrap crop top, if I can get it round the right way. So it looks like this, and then it just wraps kind of like a ballerina top, so it has these straps, and I just thought that with that will look just really easy and classy and just cute. So I thought, you know what, we'll try this. So the skirt is $35, the top was $30, and I actually got the top in a medium because they were sold out of smalls at the time, but because it's like a wrap top, I was thinking I can make that fit. It's basically fully adjustable. So yeah, if you really like this one, I'll link it down below, but you might need to get on it quickly unless they're going to restock it, just in case your size isn't there. So yeah, really like the floral print on this one. It's just super cute, and yeah, let's see what it looks like on. This is how this one looks, and I really love the fit of this. It's such an easy thing to wear. It's not stretchy anywhere, but it's not restrictive at all. I just really like how it fits on me. Like the skirt, I just think it isn't too tight or loose anywhere, and I love this little bottom bit. I think that's so feminine, having that little bounce at the base. So no, I love this. I think for spring and summer this will be so cute, and this top will literally go with jeans or shorts as well. You could break up the two-piece and wear them as separate items, and I think this is just a really easy to wear top that's just really, really cute. So no, I really like this one. The next piece I'm going to show you guys is a denim top. Now, if you guys are OG subscribers, you know I've always loved anything denim. I don't know what it is about it. It's just such a cool material for me. I just feel really sassy in it. So this is a really cute denim top that what is going on here? It's kind of tangled right now. You're probably just going to have to see this on me to even understand it, because right now it just looks like a collar and a band. But this is like round the neck, and then it crisscrosses, and it's kind of like the ballerina style that you just saw. It like crosses around my body, and that ties. But it's made out of this beautiful stretch denim, and I just loved the colour of it, and I thought that would be really cute with like denim jeans or denim shorts, and you can get a matching denim skirt to it, but I looked at that model and I thought that's not going to cover my bum, so I decided maybe not. If it was a skirt, I would have loved it, because it's a really funky style with this like big waistband, but just probably not for my physique. But the top, all here for it, and this will go with loads of things because of its colour. So this is from Sugar Thrills, and it was under $30. I think it was like $28 maybe, but I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. But let's put it on. But this is how it fits, and it really doesn't go with the blue jeans, so just trying to, there we go, I'll just hold a squat for the duration of this review. No, I'm joking. I really love it. So it's got this kind of crisscross design, and then this collar. It's just really unusual, like with a nice pendant. I think it's gonna look really cute, and it just ties up at the back. Like, it's just gonna be so cute to wear with like black denim shorts in the summer. It's just something a bit different. I don't know if you can see on camera the crisscross design, because for some reason black on camera is just a nightmare, but I really like this one. I really, really do. And if they, you know, if I keep looking at the matching skirt, I might give it a go, but I just don't think it's going to be long enough. I'll link it down below with this top anyway, but yeah, it needs shorts under it. Maybe I could just wear shorts under it. There we go. That could be something, but no, I really like this one. The next piece I got I've been looking at this for a while and I keep kind of like umming and ahhing about it. I'm so drawn to the embroidery. Like, look at that, it is just gorgeous. But then every time I look at it I'm thinking, can I style that? Like, will I actually be able to wear it? Because I've had pieces in the past which I am so in love with, but they're just not that wearable, like with my style or with the clothes I already have. So I'm still trying to figure out what to wear it with, but it's just, I had to try it. I was fed up thinking, can I work it, can I not? I was like, we're gonna try. So it's this cropped kind of jacket. So it is like quite cropped, so it's an awkward kind of style that I'm not quite used to styling, but I think the embroidery, I'm just gonna have to work it. Like, it's got birds on it, it's got flowers, it's got butterflies, it's just beautiful. Like, I just love it, and it's made really well. Like, it's really nicely tailored and it's very thick and it's lined, so we're gonna work it. So I'm gonna put this on with jeans maybe and a plain black top so you guys can see the fit of it, and then fire away with your suggestions on what this would go with, because I think it's definitely too busy to wear with any other pattern. But yeah, oh, I'm just looking at it. It must have gotten caught. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this. The threads are coming out in certain places, so I'll be able to finish those off hopefully without it fraying anymore, because that's the last thing I want the embroidery undoing. I think that's the only place, and there's a few tiny pools, but I guess that just might be in the fabric when they were sewing it together. So let's put it on, let's see what we can style it with. And it's also got these crazy blinged up buttons going down, so I just loved it. I loved everything about it. I've got to make it work. So it's a style challenge, we like things like that, so I will find a way to rock this. Okay, so I didn't know what to put this on with, but I kind of like it with this look. So I have this kind of suede top and suede skirt that I actually got this in my last Dollskill haul, I think, and it matches this skirt pretty well. And I was thinking this jacket has a lot of green in it. Like, does this work? Is this cute? It's so cropped though. I mean, look at that. It doesn't even reach the top of my skirt, but I kind of feel like it fits this look. I'm just really glad the sleeves are a good length, but let me know what you think. I mean, it fits me, the shoulders fit, I love the embroidery of it. I just don't know what to wear it with. I'm kind of feeling this, but let me know if it really doesn't go. But yeah, I think it works with this. So maybe with like green jeans or black jeans or any of the colours in the jacket, that could work if I keep it really plain underneath. Maybe I can work this. So no, I like this one. Let me know what you think, but I think I can work this. So I think it's safe to say I have saved the best outfit till last. This is a top entirely made out of rhinestones. Can we just take a moment to fully appreciate the sparkle of this top? It has adjustable straps, which are kind of like belts, which are just super cool, and then it crisscrosses at the back and then it's lace up, so you can make it fit and it's just going to be amazing. I'm just obsessed with this top. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. So I got it in a size small, and when I say it, like, I don't know if my camera's gonna do it justice, just how sparkly it is. It is made up of rhinestones. Like, appreciate. It's amazing. This is pricey. I think this is $85, so you're paying for the rhinestones, but imagine that, like, in the disco lights, and you're just gonna look bomb. And then I thought, just to finish the look, I would try these joggers from Poster Girl that have bling all down the side. So they have the same kind of rhinestone detailing but down the side. Now, I don't know if these are gonna look trashy. I was trying to think of a better word, but you know what I mean, because they're literally black joggers and they're covered in diamonds. But I just thought, you know what, they're simple but also crazy, and that's kind of me. So I wanted to try these. They have the elastic bottoms, they're proper joggers, and then they just have a bit of sparkle. What's wrong with that? So I'll put them on together. Now, I wouldn't wear these together, I don't think. I think the top is too much of like a bam, and I'll go out in that top. It does come with a matching skirt, that top, like you buy it separately, but I'll link it down below anyway for you guys, but it's got lace up panels going like down your hips, and it's a bit risky. Like, no underwear can be worn under that skirt, and I just don't trust the panel in the middle to keep me decent. So the top was an instant click. I was like, yes, but the skirt was kind of like a, not sure about that. So when I spotted these trackies from Poster Girl, they're not even from the same brand, they're just kind of on the same wavelength. I was like, yes, I'm going to try those. Like loungewear that is this just blinged up is, I had to try it. So these are $72, so they're not cheap, but you're paying for this strip of bling. But I thought they would brighten up my loungewear days. Anyway, let's put this outfit on, see what it looks like, let me know what you think, but I love it already. This is how it fits, and well, I think it speaks for itself. This top is just so extra. I am living for it. Like, it's completely made out of rhinestones. Where has this been all my life? And the back of it, I mean, minus the massive tag that I haven't taken off yet, the crisscross, the lace up, it's just so cute, I think. So no, I can't wait to wear this one out. And then the trackies, oh my god, like, they fit great. They have this lovely rhinestone band going down them. Like, my mum would say I am a very well-dressed chav right now, but I really like them. I think they fit really nice, and they're just nice fitting black trackies, but then they just have something extra about them, and I'm here for it. I really like these. It's kind of like a subtle bit of bling, and I like that. So yeah, I'm not going to wear these together. I think this top is a bit too extra for trackies, but this top with jeans on a night out, we're gonna look good. So no, I love this one, and of course, matching rhinestone boots with flames going on. So these boots, black jeans and this top, and I think that's a look, or like a skirt, or these trackies, these boots and a black top, and we're there. So let me know what you think, but it's a crazy look, but I love it. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the bits and bobs I got. I always love my Dollskill hauls. Like, they just have such crazy stuff, and they're all so unique, which is what I love. Like, I love having those sort of one-of-a-kind pieces. Like, I know they're not one-of-a-kind, but you know what I mean. They're unusual, it's different, it's just something fun. So let me know what you thought, but I'll link everything down below along with my social media. I do have another channel, so if you like things earth sciencey and stuff like that, do check that out, because yeah, fossils and fashion, that's me basically. So have a look at that if that would interest you, and then I'll link all my other social media down below as well, because I do have an Instagram and a Patreon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you next time.